Today we got a 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's a 4-cylinder 2.4 ES, and we are swapping out the spark plugs. The spark plugs consist of just 4 of them, and the tools you're gonna need to remove this cover: Phillips. We're gonna need some pliers because we got to take off some hoses, and 3/8 drive ratchet, extension, 5/8 for your spark plugs, and a 10 mil for the coil packs. All right, so first off, remove that. The screws right here, these are Phillips. Come off, then this pulls off. It's got a little tab that goes in here. Just pull it right off, nice and simple. After you do that, then you're gonna come and squeeze this off. All right, with some pliers, squeeze it. This pops off. You might have to get the pliers and pinch it a little bit and move it around just so it can break loose from here. Then this comes off. The same thing with this side. You get the pliers, move it around, pops off. All right, and then for your coil packs, it's just 10 mil screws, bolts. I took them off already. These are 10 mil, and you do not need to disconnect the connectors. These come right off. You see? Come right out without disconnecting anything. You guys just be careful, not damaging them. All right, and then got the spark plugs out already. About to install them. These were actually pretty bad. As you guys can see, this has like approximately 100,000 miles. They had never been changed. These are OEM. All right, so it was time to get them replaced. All right, so I'm putting these in. The spark plug gap for these is going to be 0.044. Now put them back in. It's you put them in this way, and always do it by hand, because if you use impact or anything to put them in, you might cross thread the block itself in the head. You don't want to do that. All right, put them in by hand first. I like putting them in all the way by hand, just to be safe. Go ahead and put your coil backs back in. All right. There it is. There it is. All right, then start your bolts by hand. Especially if you're using an impact, which you don't need to, or a ratchet, electric ratchet. Makes it easier, faster. But you can't over torque these. You'll pull them out, damage everything. That's it, and then you bring this hose back in, pop it in. There it is. I didn't even need freaking pliers. And bring this one in as well. All right, that's that. Let's go ahead and put the top piece on.
Que hay muchos que...
That's it, screw it in, and screw this other one in. Alright, and that's how you replace the spark plugs on the 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. Catch you on the next one.